In this video, I'm going to show how to use the Azure Event Hub Explorer. First, we click to install, and I'll put a link in the video that shows how to get to that installation. Secondly, we want to validate that we have the Azure account also loaded because we're going to need to sign into our Azure account. So once this is loaded, we can use this to start monitoring our Event Hub messages. If you've not signed in, a window will appear and prompt you to sign into Azure. Now we need to tell Azure Event Hub Explorer which Event Hub we want it to monitor. So go to View and then Command Palette. Choose Event Hub, select Event Hub. Provided that you've logged in, it will start with your subscription. Then from there it will go to your resource group. I'll pick the one where I have my Event Hub. And then from there the Event Hub. And then you can choose to, that last one was the Event Hub namespace. Now this is the Event Hub, so you can choose which Event Hub you wish to monitor. This time I'll choose Photo In. After that, we go back to View, Command Palette, and then we issue a new command, Start Monitoring Event Hub Message. And down below, we'll see our messages. Now I'm going to put these side by side so that you can see that when I add something here and submit, we'll see that the Event Hub Explorer is showing us exactly what was put on the Event Hub. In this case, it's the text, I like Honeycrisp apples. No big surprise, we'll see those and several others in our dashboard as well. That dashboard is essentially a listing of what is on the Event Hub. It's a very simple page, but you know what? Since I have that dashboard handy, let's try another command. View, Command Palette, and let's say Send Message to Event Hub. And for this one, we'll say photo of a daisy and enter. And now we see message received, photo of a daisy. That's running locally on my laptop with Visual Studio Code. But did it actually get up to the server? Let's find out. I hit refresh and take a look. Sure enough, processed, we have photo of a daisy. On Azure itself, we can see a little bump here where we had something written to incoming messages and 4 things read. So that's not a big surprise because we are publishing to this Event Hub and both our photo processor and our dashboard is listening to it. But it's interesting to see here that this graph has changed based on that message we just sent. That was fun. I'll send one more. This one will say summer vacation and enter. Now the dashboard that I created, I just made a mock-up based on a simple filter. If the text that's entered has the word photo, it goes to processed. If not, it goes to exceptions. So I expect that my summer vacation will go under exceptions. I hit refresh, and sure enough, there is summer vacation. Once we're all finished, let's go back to the command palette, and let's say Event Hub, stop monitoring Event Hub message. And we get our confirmation down here. So that is a quick overview of the Azure Event Hub Explorer. I will say I'm not the one who created it. I'm simply using it and saw a few people had questions on how to use it, so I thought I'd make a little how-to video. I hope this has been helpful. I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you.